In this proof of concept, we'll show you how you can create multiple Packshots using a combination of VDP and automation as well as WebCenter. Starting from an Excel spreadsheet with two columns, one for color and one referring to an image, which you can see here in Photoshop, we are loading this comma-separated value file from Excel into our VDP plugin. Notice the two fields here. We assign these fields to placeholders in Adobe Illustrator and link that placeholder to the correct data field. Once this is done, both for text and images, we can look at the different records by going through the preview button. On the right hand side, we can refresh to see what the updated Packshot looks like. How can we automate this? This is where AutomationEngine comes in. Starting from the comma-separated value file, we created a quick VDP variable data workflow. One that first expands the dynamic data, splits the resulting file into individual PDFs, and then uploads those files into WebCenter and starts a Packshot workflow. Here we can see the different steps, the expansion of the multi-page PDF, extracting the individual PDFs, and then integrating this workflow with WebCenter by creating a project and uploading these files here automatically into that project. Using a rules-based engine, we can now trigger WebCenter to combine these PDF files together with my 3D model to create these final Packshots. Using the WebCenter viewer, we can inspect this final result and of course at any time we can select and download this file as well. Here we're downloading the native format, and once downloaded we preview. Keep in mind, here we can see the multiple Packshots, but an alternative solution is using the recently introduced VDP option for WebCenter. Instead of using AutomationEngine, WebCenter does all the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.